really. Yes, I did say that we will win the challenges because that's the way Dublin is always wins.
2 things in our mind. One is setting a target that was motivating enough for us to achieve it. Second was achieve it, no matter what, achieve. Stuck to the basics, focused on 2 areas again. One was creating an execution plan that would cover everybody in the organization from the top to the bottom. 2 was creating a promotion plan that would involve people from the top so that the message goes till the bottom and everybody feels involved and engaged.
Definitely, that was the title. It all, the whole branding piece went on saying it was one goal. The liner that we used itself was 21,000 employees, one goal to win the iGift Corporate Challenge. So that was the strength, that was the belief.
We identified certain areas, and the first thing that came to our mind was that what is the easiest way in which an employee can contribute. Created an application that helped an employee contribute only with 3 clicks. He could contribute money from his payroll. So we clubbed the India Giving Challenge with the Joy of Giving week, and during that week we ensured that every employee goes on the intranet and clicks and contributes money through his payroll.
12,000 people across India who participated and contributed at the iGift Corporate Challenge.
Those were some of the craziest of the things that we've done, and the entire corporate communications team would take our senior management onto the floors with or without our senior management, to the extent that our CEO actually walked on the floors for 4 or 5 floor walk sessions, wherein he appealed people personally to come forward and donate. And then when he's busy in work, so how do you attract attention of everyone? So the best thing is just jump onto a table, stand on it, start shouting, and everybody has to look at you. They just don't have an option. At a point of time, we felt like, oh, our radio is on and we're going to talk, and by the end we leave. We would see at least 80% of the people hooking onto intranet and making the donation over there. Amazing to see that senior management walking onto the floors, senior management writing emails. We have various business units in WNS. So we did a smart thing over here, just the way you have a cricket match that you have the score being updated almost on a run by run basis. Every hour we would update the score on the scoreboard, which would be placed outside the cafeterias and the employee entrances. And we would have the scores based on the business units. So this particular business unit from this location has contributed this amount in this particular hour. Send these reports to the business unit leaders, who would then send emails to their team members that why is this team not contributing? And that would send, oh, we have to contribute. So it would remind again people that, okay, we need to go and contribute. So they were the most exciting part, and I would receive calls almost on an hourly basis, not even on an hourly basis, almost every 15 minutes I would receive a call. What's the current contribution level? What's the current contribution level? It was great. It was chaotic, yet it was fun, because we all knew that at the end of it, we are going to win. And we are doing all this for a noble cause. That is what I guess charged us.
This 25 lakhs, we have been able to set up a computer center in Gurgaon. Very, very happy to support. We're seeing the difference it has made.